Hello students, this is Asmara Sharma, your science teacher, and today we are going to continue with our chapter which is about pollution of air and water. So today we are going to study about the Taj Mahal that has been affected by the air pollution. So come, let's start. The Taj Mahal also gets affected from the pollution. Taj Mahal that is located in Agra has become a matter of concern. Experts have warned that pollutants in air are discoloring its white marble. So it has been observed that जो Taj Mahal है उसका जो marble है that is getting yellow in color because the color has been changing because of pollution that is present in the nearby air. So it is not only the living organisms that get affected by the polluted air but also the non-living things. So you can see that Taj Mahal is a non-living thing but it is still getting affected by the pollution. And similarly, not only us that are the living organisms but also the non-living things are getting affected because of this. So this buildings, monuments, statues, all of these are getting affected because of the air pollution. So the next topic over here is greenhouse effect. A part of the radiation that falls on the earth is absorbed by sun's rays and a part of the reflection back into space. So whenever the earth gets heat from the sun, the rays that are coming on the earth, the part of the rays are reflected back into the space and some of the rays are getting absorbed. A part of the reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. So these part that is reflected are getting trapped into the atmosphere. The trapped radiations further warm the earth. So we have already absorbed some heat and we are also getting some reflected heat. So overall the earth gets warmer. The trapped heat forms the greenhouse. Trapping the radiation from the earth's atmosphere is similar, that is why it is called greenhouse effect. So as the gas is trapped by the gases over the earth, so this is also similar to the trees and that is why we call it as a greenhouse effect. Without this process, life would not have been possible on the earth because it is important to trap the heat. But getting too much heat is also a harmful thing. But now it threatens life because the heat is getting too much. So carbon dioxide is one of the gases responsible for this effect because we are getting too much of carbon dioxide and this carbon dioxide is making it impossible for us to live on this earth. Now the next thing is about the global warming. Global warming can cause sea level to rise dramatically. So you people have heard about global warming. You must have heard about it into the news also. But global warming is actually a serious threat. That means it is a very threatful thing for us. It is a very dangerous thing for us because global warming has some harmful effects, such as it can cause sea levels to rise dramatically. So the sea levels, the water level will go up. In many places, coastal areas have already been flooded. This is because of the global warming that we are facing so many floods. Global warming could result in wide-ranging effects gases at the present level. So whatever the gases are there into the atmosphere, global warming will make them rise more and more. So this gas will have harmful effects on us. Otherwise, the temperature may rise by more than 2 degrees Celsius by on rainfall patterns, agricultural, forest, plants and animals. So overall, there is a high level of temperature increase. Now Celsius by on patterns of agriculture, forest, plants, everything gets increases. Majority of the people living in the regions which are threatened by global warming are in Asia. So generally this is because this is majorly affected continents in Asia. A recent climate change report gives us limited time to keep. So now that the climate change report has given us, we have a limited time to keep this under control. We will have a very dangerous gases on us. Now the next thing is what we can do to reduce this air pollution. So there are many success stories in our fight against air pollution. So there are many positive effects also when we speak about air pollution. For example, a few years ago, Delhi was one of the most polluted cities in the world. It was being choked by the fumes released from the automobiles running on the diesel and petrol. So whatever was running in Delhi, because of that, there was a large amount of pollution into the air of that city. But now you can see that there has been a various uh, you can say various decisions, various laws that have been come up to reduce this pollution. A decision was taken to switch to fuels like CNG and unleaded petrol. So all those fuels which do not contain, which do not create a large amount of pollution, there was a decision to switch over those fuels so that we can reduce the pollution. These measures have resulted in cleaner air, and now we have a cleaner amount of air present in India. So there is a need to switch over to the alternative fuel instead of fossil fuel for our energy requirement. So whatever requirement we have to switch over so that we can save our environment. So these alternative fuels can be solar energy, hydropower, and wind energy. So all this is what we can do to save our earth. So this is what was all about the water pollution. Now in the next video, we are going to speak about this was all about air pollution, and the next video we are going to speak about the water pollution. Till then, take care. Thank you.